In 2025, the world of beauty is embracing a refreshing change. The beauty industry has seen a significant shift towards more natural and authentic looks. This movement is not just a trend, but a revolution that is redefining how we perceive beauty. Gone are the days of heavy makeup and unattainable beauty standards. The focus has moved away from covering up imperfections to highlighting the natural features that make each person unique. This change is empowering individuals to feel comfortable in their own skin. Today, it's all about embracing our natural beauty and enhancing our unique features. Freckles, birthmarks, and other natural characteristics are being celebrated rather than concealed. This shift is fostering a more inclusive and diverse definition of beauty. This is where the power of natural makeup shines. Natural makeup techniques focus on enhancing what's already there, using light foundation, subtle highlighters, and soft blushes to bring out the best in each individual's features. Natural makeup is not about hiding flaws. It's about celebrating individuality. Each person's unique skin tone, texture, and features are highlighted, creating a look that is both personal and beautiful. This approach encourages self-love and acceptance. It's about using makeup as a tool to enhance, not conceal. Light touches of mascara, a hint of blush, and a dab of highlighter can make a world of difference, bringing out the natural glow and radiance of the skin. This approach to beauty is resonating with people worldwide who are looking for ways to feel confident and beautiful in their own skin. The natural beauty movement is not just a fleeting trend, it's a lasting change that is here to stay, promoting a healthier and more positive self-image for everyone. The trend towards natural makeup is driven by a desire for authenticity. In a world saturated with filtered images and unrealistic expectations, people are craving realness. Natural makeup allows individuals to present their true selves to the world. This shift is also fueled by a growing awareness of health and the environment. People are becoming more conscious of the ingredients in their beauty products and their impact on the planet. Natural makeup brands often prioritize clean ingredients and sustainable practices, aligning with this conscious consumerism. The benefits of natural makeup extend far beyond aesthetics. Firstly, it's incredibly versatile. A natural makeup look can be adapted for any occasion, from a casual daytime outing to a special evening event. Natural makeup is also incredibly skin-friendly. By using products with gentle, non-irritating ingredients, you're caring for your skin while enhancing your features. This can lead to a healthier complexion. Most importantly, natural makeup can be a powerful confidence booster. When you feel comfortable and confident in your own skin, it shows. The key to a successful natural makeup look lies in subtly defining your features. It's about creating a look that enhances your natural beauty without overwhelming it. The goal is to look like the best version of yourself, effortlessly radiant and fresh-faced, while allowing your natural beauty to shine through. This look is perfect for everyday wear, whether you're heading to work, running errands, or enjoying a casual day out. It's versatile and timeless, suitable for any occasion. It's about enhancing, not masking. The first step is to start with a clean, moisturized face. Hydrated skin provides a smooth canvas for makeup application and helps the products blend seamlessly. Start by focusing on creating a flawless base. A light coverage foundation or tinted moisturizer will even out skin tone without feeling heavy or cakey. Choose a formula that matches your skin type and tone for the most natural finish, or tinted moisturizer will even out skin tone. If you have any blemishes or dark circles, use a concealer sparingly to cover them. Remember, less is more when it comes to natural makeup, without masking your natural radiance. Next, enhance your eyes. Subtly define your brows with a brow pencil or powder that matches your hair color. Well-groomed brows frame your face and make a big difference in your overall look, and apply a few coats of mascara to open up the eyes. Opt for a lengthening or volumizing mascara to give your lashes a natural lift. Avoid clumps by wiggling the wand at the base of your lashes and sweeping upwards to open up the eyes. For a soft, natural look, you can also use a neutral eyeshadow to add a bit of depth to your eyelids. Stick to shades that are close to your skin tone for a subtle effect. Finally, add a touch of color to your cheeks. A cream blush works well for a natural finish, giving your skin a healthy, dewy glow. Smile and apply the blush to the apples of your cheeks, blending it outwards for a seamless look, and lips for a healthy, natural flush. Choose a lip color that enhances your natural lip tone. Tinted lip balms or sheer lipsticks are great options for a subtle pop of color. And there you have it, a simple yet stunning natural makeup look that highlights your best features. A flawless canvas. The importance of skincare. Achieving a flawless natural makeup look starts with a solid skincare routine. Your skin is the canvas, and a well-prepped canvas will always yield the best results. Begin with a gentle cleanser to remove impurities and follow with an exfoliator 2 to 3 times a week to remove dead skin cells. Next, apply a moisturizer suited for your skin type to hydrate and plump the skin. Finally, always protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays with a broad-spectrum sunscreen. Essential natural makeup products. Your toolkit for natural radiance. Building a natural makeup kit doesn't require a million products. It's about selecting multitasking essentials that enhance your features without looking overdone. A tinted moisturizer or light coverage foundation will even out your skin tone. A creamy concealer will help to camouflage any blemishes or dark circles. Mascara will open up your eyes, while a cream blush will add a natural flush to your cheeks. Finally, a tinted lip balm will provide hydration and a hint of color. Step-by-step guide. Achieving a naturally flawless look. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the essential steps to achieve a naturally flawless look that enhances your features without looking overdone. Whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro, these tips will help you create a fresh, radiant appearance. Start by prepping your skin with a moisturizer and sunscreen. This step is crucial as it hydrates your skin and provides a smooth base for your makeup. Sunscreen is essential to protect your skin from harmful UV rays, preventing premature aging and sun damage. Allow the products to absorb fully before moving on to the next step. Apply your tinted moisturizer or foundation with clean fingers or a damp sponge, blending outwards from the center of your face. This technique ensures an even natural finish. If you prefer a lighter coverage, opt for a tinted moisturizer. For more coverage, a foundation will work best. Remember to blend well into your jawline and hairline to avoid any harsh lines. Next, use your concealer to spot conceal any blemishes or dark circles. Choose a concealer that matches your skin tone for blemishes and a slightly lighter shade for under the eyes to brighten the area. Apply the concealer in a triangular shape under your eyes and blend it out gently with your fingers or a brush for a seamless look. Apply a cream blush to the apples of your cheeks, blending upwards towards your temples. Cream blushes give a natural, dewy finish and are easy to blend. Smile to find the apples of your cheeks and use your fingers or a brush to blend the blush upwards, creating a lifted and youthful appearance. Define your eyebrows with a brow pencil or powder, using light, feathery strokes. Well-groomed eyebrows frame your face and enhance your overall look. Follow the natural shape of your brows and fill in any sparse areas with short, hair-like strokes. Use a spoolie brush to blend the product and achieve a natural finish. Curl your lashes and apply 2 coats of mascara. Curling your lashes opens up your eyes and makes them appear larger. Choose a mascara that adds volume and length for a more dramatic effect. Wiggle the mascara wand at the base of your lashes and sweep upwards to coat each lash evenly. Finish with a tinted lip balm or lipstick. A tinted lip balm adds a hint of color while keeping your lips hydrated. If you prefer more color, opt for a lipstick in a shade that complements your natural lip color. Apply the product starting from the center of your lips and blend outwards for a soft, natural look. And there you have it, a naturally flawless look that's perfect for any occasion. Tools and techniques. Perfecting the natural finish. The right tools and techniques are crucial for achieving a seamless natural makeup look. Using your fingers to apply foundation and concealer can warm up the product and help it melt into the skin for a more natural finish. Invest in high-quality brushes made with natural fibers. Fluffy brushes are ideal for applying powder products like blush and bronzer, while denser brushes are better for blending and buffing. Remember, the key is to blend, blend, blend. Embrace your individuality. Experiment and find your perfect natural look. Remember, there are no strict rules in the world of natural makeup. It's all about finding what works best for you and your unique features. Don't be afraid to experiment. Play around with different products, colors, and techniques until you discover the perfect natural makeup look that makes you feel confident and beautiful in your own skin. Embrace your individuality and let your natural beauty shine through. If you enjoyed these natural and homemade beauty tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more.